Hello Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050 with another picking video. And here I have a Yale padlock, and this is a series Y120-50. So I assume that means this is a 50mm padlock. And I got this in a trade with J.J.80 of the UK. And I have to say thank you very much, JJ, because I absolutely love this padlock. It just seems extremely well made. It's a steel body with a boron shackle. It's fairly narrow, but it feels very substantial and very well made. Let me go ahead and show you the key here. Very wild, extreme bitting on this key. Let me show you that it does work. And I noticed immediately with this lock that it utilizes locking pawls rather than ball bearings. So I'm thinking this lock actually might be susceptible to shimming, but the tolerances on the shackle seem pretty good, so that might be pretty difficult. Anyway, let's go ahead and try picking this thing open. And I do have a couple of different hooks here at my disposal because of that wild bitting. I'm expecting having to switch quite often, so I'm using this tension wrench made out of windshield wiper inserts, and I'm going to start off anyway with this sort of medium hook. So let's see what we get. Pin 2 is binding. Okay, I got a false set here. Try to get under pin 4. I'm going to use a little bit shallower hook. Okay, I'm getting counter rotation on 4 here. Okay, I think 4 is set. Switch back to that deeper hook. Let's see if I can feel. Okay, I'm getting some counter rotation on 3. Okay, I believe 3 is set. Let's see what we get here. Alright, can't get under that. Still can't get under it. Let me see if I can get under that 5th pin. Okay, I'm getting some counter rotation on this 5th pin here. And there it is, picked open. Get my tension wrench out of this thing if it'll come out. Alright, and that is a Yale Y120/50 padlock picked open. J.J.80, thank you very much for the lock. Love this padlock. Everybody else, thank you for watching.